Welcome back, coffee lovers. Today we are diving into the world of AeroPress. Whether you are a coffee enthusiast or a beginner at brewing, we are here to explore and understand all about the AeroPress and walk you through the ultimate technique of AeroPress. Take a moment to appreciate the brilliance behind this innovative brewing device. Some of you might already be aware of this, that the AeroPress was invented by Alan Edler, a Stanford University engineer and a serial inventor with a great passion for coffee. We have got another video on how AeroPress was invented and you can find it here. Alan Edler's vision was to create a simple yet efficient brewing method that delivered a clean and flavorful cup of coffee. In its most simplest form, an AeroPress consists of two cylindrical chambers made out of plastic or transparent material with a plunger and a filter. An AeroPress has become a staple in the coffee world, gaining recognition from experts like James Hoffman and captivating the taste buds of coffee lovers worldwide. Now let's dive into the ultimate AeroPress technique. We'll walk you through the step-by-step brewing process and share some technical tips to elevate your brewing game. First things first, let's talk about the recipe. To achieve optimal results, we need to consider some key factors such as water temperature, coffee to water ratio, and grind size. For water temperature, aim for around 80 to 85 degrees Celsius. This temperature range helps extract the flavors without scorching the coffee. Next, let's discuss the coffee to water ratio. While there is no one size fits all ratio, a good starting point is 1:15 coffee to water ratio. Remember, you can always adjust the ratio to suit your taste preferences. Experimentation is the key to finding your perfect balance. Now let's talk about the grind size. For AeroPress, a medium to fine grind works the best. Think of it as the consistency of table salt or slightly finer. With our recipe basics covered, now it's time to brew. Step 1. Prepare your AeroPress by placing the filter into the cap and wetting it with hot water to remove any papery taste. Step 2. Add your grounded coffee to the AeroPress. Remember our coffee to water ratio? Measure out your desired amount of coffee and add it to the chamber. Step 3. Start the process by pouring hot water into the chamber. Make sure you saturate all the coffee grounds evenly. Step 4. Give it a gentle stir to ensure proper extraction. Aim for a smooth and even distribution of the coffee grounds. The stirring helps the coffee and water interact, ensuring a balanced extraction and maximizing the flavor. Step 5. Attach the plunger to the chamber and gently press down. Apply steady pressure until you hear a hissing sound. The hissing sound indicates that the brewing process is complete and all the coffee goodness has been extracted. Remember not to press too forcefully, as it can lead to over extraction and a bitter taste. Step 6. You are almost there. Remove the AeroPress from your cup and discard the used coffee grounds and the filter. And you are done with a cup of rich and flavorful coffee brewed to the perfection with the AeroPress. According to James Hoffman, a renowned coffee expert and an AeroPress enthusiast, once you have pressed down, pull the plunger back a little bit. This helps prevent the drips and ensure clean extraction. Now let's address some common troubleshooting scenarios. If your coffee tastes too bitter, you may want to increase the grind size and reduce the brewing temperature. These adjustments can help you mitigate over extraction, resulting in a smoother cup. On the other hand, if your coffee tastes too sour, try using a finer grind and hotter water. This can enhance the extraction and balance the flavors. Lastly, if you are looking to brew the best AeroPress coffee and ensure that you have all the required equipments, check the link in the description. By using the right equipment and following the techniques we have discussed today, you will be well on your way to brewing the perfect cup of AeroPress coffee every time. In the comment section below, let us know what you love about the AeroPress and any tips or tricks that you have discovered along the way. We are all about sharing our coffee knowledge and experiences. That brings us to the end of our AeroPress adventure. We hope you have enjoyed this exploration of the ultimate AeroPress technique. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. Now that you have the ultimate AeroPress technique in your arsenal, feel free to experiment with different coffee beans, grind sizes, and brewing time to find out your flavor profile. The beauty of AeroPress lies in its versatility and adaptability. It's a brewing method that allows you to explore and tailor your coffee experiences. So whether you are an AeroPress enthusiast or a curious beginner, embrace the joy of brewing with this remarkable device. Let the aroma and the flavors of your carefully crafted AeroPress coffee awaken your senses and ignite your love for the art of coffee. That wraps up our journey into the world of the AeroPress. We hope you found this guide helpful and inspiring. Remember that mastering the AeroPress technique requires patience, curiosity, and a love for a great cup of coffee. Until next time, keep brewing and savoring every sip. Cheers!